Hello everyone, this is my vegetable salad and you can try this guys. Ayan, nag-cut lang ako dito ng vegetable. Ginawa ko lang siyang pa-cubes. Then, imi-mix together ko lahat ng aking mga vegetable. Meron akong ditong red radish, cucumber, tomato, and red bell pepper. Ayan guys yung nilagay ko dito. And pwede kayo dito maglagay ng onion. Masarap din yun guys. Nilagyan ko lang to ng salt, pepper, and olive oil. Kaya try nyo na to guys at sure na magugustuhan nyo. Perfect na perfect to for side dish. At lalo na sa mga diet, perfect na perfect tong kain, lalo na pag dinner. Ayan lang guys, at pag nagustuhan nyo po, paki-subscribe ng channel ko. Thank you for watching my videos and have a good day everyone. At ayan na, ready na yung aking vegetable salad. Imi-mix together lang natin and okay na, ready to eat na po yan. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.